Psalm 139, 23 and 24 says, "Search me, O God, and know my heart. Try me and know my thoughts, and see if there be any wicked way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting." Allowing God to search me, to cleanse me, to remove things out of my life is very important. There's no need to lie to God in prayer. God knows exactly what's going on in my life. There's no need to lie or to hold back or regard things in my heart, because then he's regarding sin in my heart, he's not going to hear me. But this kind of reminds me of shoe shining. Now, this boot is not stripped all the way down, but I've taken alcohol and I've rubbed off a lot of the old wax and some of the cracks that were on there. And that's what we need to do with God in our lives. God, just search me, cleanse me, identify things that need to be moved out of my life. Because God then can in turn, and this is not the finest shine shoe in the world, but God can then in turn put a shine on you and on your heart. He wants, the God of heaven really wants for you to live a very beautiful life, and then let his light shine in your life to other people. So let your light shine before men. And so when you allow God then to put, so what we would do is we'll strip it with a acetone, and then we would put a renovator on it, and then put a cream on it and buff it, and then put coats and coats and coats of wax on here, and high gloss wax, and buff it and buff it and buff it and buff it and buff it. Search me, O God. And we know the Bible tells us that we need to ask God to cleanse us, and we need to be willing to confess our sin before the Lord. And thank God for what God can do in our life. I hope this little lesson is an encouragement to you, and let God work in your heart, because he can bring it to a finer shine than what it ever has been. God bless you. I hope you have a great day.